Let's cook with the Shoeback TV. Welcome to today's episode of Let's Cook. Today we will be cooking fried omena, and the ingredients are 200 grams of omena. You need 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, a pinch of salt, green pepper, and some cooking oil. To get your tasty crunchy fried omena, step number 1, wash the omena with hot water. Set the omena on a frying pan and let it dry. After that, add some cooking oil on the frying pan and then let the omena fry till it's golden brown and crunchy. Step 3, cut and add the onion and green pepper, then mix. Step 4, after the onions and the green pepper are cooked, cut and add some tomatoes and a pinch of salt. Let it cook and simmer for 2 minutes. Remove the omena from the heat and it's ready to be served with either ugali or some rice. Enjoy!